Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vrishali, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. So this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. So let's do a general collective reading for sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Pisces. So, what do their partners think about them, feel about them, and their intentions with outcome? So, mm, so this is for the sign of Pisces. So, the people who are not in touch with their partners, this reading is for them. So, how do they feel? I have shuffled the cards. Let's get started. So, first row is how what are their thoughts about you? They think that King of Swords, Page of Cups, and King of Cups. They think that you will cut them off. They are thinking if they offer their emotions to you or their feelings, yeah, you will cut them off because you are also sitting on your throne. And they gender doesn't matter in these tarot cards. It may be your energy or their energy. Just flip the energies, whatever resonates with you. So they think in this deck you can see King of Cups is not that loving. He is little bit prideful. He is having lot of emotions over here, but he looks at you with some doubts. I can say that. So they are thinking if they come with their love to you, they are having lot of emotions for you. If they show this love to you, still it will be an immature love. They want to show you this, but they are having lot of love for you. But they think that if they come to you, you might come cut them off. I mean, like this sword means there will be very direct communication, like you don't want to play with them anymore, like that type of energy. So they do want to test the water and then offer you all this big cup. What are their feelings? Two of Wands, High Priestess, and Six of Wands. Oh boy. So they are into public eye, I guess. They watch you from far. They watch you for far, watch you from far. It might be that their friends also watch you from far. They are at a distance from you. They think that you are very wise. High priestess means you might have blocked them, even that you have blocked, so they are watching you from far. Wands means mm, it might be they are keeping an eye on your online status and all that, media type online things. But they are into public and they want to win at all cost. I see this card as a narcissist card actually. So I can feel that they think that if they come towards you, you are very wise and you will block them out. Here also blocking thing from your end is coming. These are the energies I am getting. See. So what are their intention? Their intention, the Fool, Ace of Cup, King of Wands. King of Wands. So they feel lot of love towards you. They are feeling lot of love towards you. They want to have a new start with you, and they want this start to be very passionate, and they are thinking how to reconcile with you, how to work on this relationship. That is what they are thinking very deeply. Can you see how focused he is? He's thinking how to convince you to get back with them. That is what he's thinking. But yeah, their intention is to have a passionate, loving start. Okay, so what would be the short term outcome? Nine of Wands, Strength, and Two of Swords. I think there are some secrets in this thing, you know. So you will be you will be again have to collect all your strength and be defensive towards this person, because they are behaving very immature, I guess. And you will be blocking them again and leaving them out in the cold. This is the short term outcome of this situation. Yeah, that is what I can see, that you are ready to fight. You'll be fighting with them with see how strong she is. He can feel that you are very strong. That is why they are afraid to come near you, and you have already blocked them, or you will be blocking. As I high priestess is there and two of swords, I think that you there are some secrets which are not known by you. So you are being little defensive, you are being very defensive actually, and you're just blocking them out. I think you want to know the truth. You are not interested in any other thing. Yeah, that is what I'm getting from this, Pisces. I hope this reading resonates with you, Pisces. If it resonates, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment if this resonates. For personal reading, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.